In the AI future, there are three kinds of people: those who depend on AI, those who work with AI, and those who create it.
Being smart now means understanding Python, algorithms, and how AI works. This isn't just for programmers anymore.
Doctors, engineers, business owners, even your children are already in the AI era. If you ignore it, the future will ignore you.
Python, AI, algorithms, these are the keys to success.
Don't be left behind. Visit pythonplayground.org.
This isn't just code, it's a new state of mind. If you don't learn the language, you'll get left behind. Don't be ignored by the future. Make your move, make your stand. Turn curiosity to power, put the tools in your hand. Python, AI, algorithms, keys that open the door. Learn now, rise up. Be the builder the world's waiting for.